Hello, English learners. How are you? I hope you all are having fun and would be quite great. This time, I'm going to tell you that how you can make long sentences because at this stage, at this point of time, you are able to speak, right? That means whenever you get any chance to speak in this language, you make sentences, but short sentences. That means you are able to speak. At least you make short sentences, right? And that's good thing. But when you are thinking in your head to make long sentences, you have trouble. You face problem, and you most of the time keep thinking that what's the easiest way I can make long sentences in my conversation, but you face problem. Then I will tell you three best way you can improve and can be master of your long sentences making. First thing you can do is first you practice of making long sentences. I'm not going to tell you this. Okay? You don't need to do it. First, listen to me. First, practice. Third or second, practice. And third, you don't need to practice of making long sentences. This is you can do. You don't need to make long sentence. You don't need to think about making long sentences. Okay. Yeah, this is what you are hearing. I'm telling you. You don't need to make long sentences, but you have to practice. About what? You just have to practice the way you are doing right now. If you are able to speak, you just practice of speaking. And when you will read something, actually you have to read, and when you will read something, when you will hear someone, when you will talk with someone, then this will come during your experience, during your practice. And your mind will be programmed automatically to make long sentences, but you don't need to think of making long sentences. But one thing you need to do is to practice only of speaking, not of making long sentences, but to speak, to be speaking. This is what you can do, and there's no any alternative rules and any secret behind this. This is what I'm telling you. What you are doing, if you are practicing of speaking, that's enough. And automatically you'll be able by the time, not in 1 day or 2 days, but when you will practice of it on the regular basis, it will happen automatically. You'll be able to make long sentences. So don't worry about these kind of things, and just keep practicing. And I hope you are taking care of yourself. And bye bye, see you. And if you think this video is helpful for you, and then you can share with the needy people. And bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the another video. Bye bye.